What YouTube? So today we're going to be showing you the AirTech Stage 2 Plus system. It came with these two compressors from Veneer, and also came for the tank inside here. So I'm going to show you this. It's pretty cool. So you get something for the remote. You get some fittings. Alright, we also have the lines, 1/4 lines, which is pretty cool. It also came with some fittings. We have more fittings here. It came with an antenna as well. I don't know why. Here's the tank. It's really big. This is smaller than my tank. This is a 5-gallon. I think I have a 2.5 gallon. And this is the compressors, brand new. Downside is one did come bent, as you see, guys, but this one is fine.